getting ready to move ahead with the all-new Jcb 432Zx Plus wheel loader, because the best goes a step ahead. It offers more productivity along with a high lift loader arm and the ability to dump at the center of a wagon to help even material spread. It comes with 2 buckets for higher productivity. Its robust structure and bigger bucket capacity fills, lifts and loads tons faster, thus providing high uptime. It prevents spillage for better fill capacity. An upgraded 2.2 cubic meter bucket as compared to the earlier 2.1 cubic meter bucket. The hydraulic system provides efficient and smooth control along with a faster cycle time. This technologically advanced machine is more fuel efficient and low on maintenance cost, which is approximately rupees 106 per hour. Save up to rupees 4.06 lakhs per year with great fuel efficiency. The new 432Zx Plus comes with LiveLink, Advanced Telematics Technology, to monitor your machine 24/7. Styled to perfection, this wheeled loader is built with world-class components for better output. Truly, the 432Zx Plus is designed with a promise to deliver way beyond than what you are used to. The best is now a step ahead. With JCB, you can always expect more.